This is Roscoe, all 15 pounds of him. He came up just yesterday after having a pretty serious bout of kennel cough that led into pneumonia. But he's all fine now. He's put on some weight and he's feeling good. He's all ready to be adopted. Roscoe, yeah, he's a sweet boy. A cuddler, one of those nice lap dogs that will snuggle up with you. He gets along well with everybody. He's fine with my cats. Not too crazy about our colder weather, but then, he's from Kentucky. What do you expect? There you are, Roscoe. Yeah, he's a sweet little boy. And I mean little. Yes, he's a small one. Roscoe. Yeah, I want you to stand next to somebody. Okay, there he is. He's standing next to Ammo, so you can see Ammo's about 30 pounds in proportion that he is a little one. Ah, he's cute, ain't he? You're a sweet boy. Yeah, sweet boy.